wants to burn books? Who wants to spit on the Constitution of the United States of America? Anybody? All right. Now, who's for the Bill of Rights? Who thinks freedom is a pretty darn good thing? Come on, let's see those hands. Who thinks that we have to stand up to the kind of censorship that they had under Stalin?
Hi, I'm Nick Sudbeck, and I'm here to talk to you about the role censorship played in the book LMNOP by Mark Dunn. It's obvious that censorship plays a vital role as it's a source of major conflict throughout the book, but Dunn also makes a connection between the aristocratic High Council that leads the island and the censorship that it enforces throughout the book. If a small group of people is entrusted with all of the citizens' rights throughout an area, then it is inevitable that censorship will come about in some form or another throughout their rule. The turning point in the novel in terms of censorship comes at the very beginning, when the High Council decides to ban the use of the letter Z. On page 6, the High Council issues an edict that includes this decree. Henceforth, use of the arguably superfluous 26th letter will be outlawed from all island speech and grapheme. What is astounding in this edict, and what is very indicative of the fact that the council needs as much power as possible, is the fact that not only are they trying to control writing, but they're trying to control day-to-day conversations between islanders by using censorship to ban the letter in conversation. Another good example of censorship in the book comes on page 78, when the High Council says, "Your offense was known even before the letters received by your sister. Effective of September 15th, the primary responsibility of our Isle's new Assistant Chief Postal Inspector has been to scan all posts for use of illegal letters." This is very important because it shows that the High Council is more concerned with getting absolute power than it is with keeping the right of its citizens. It's taking its censorship to a whole nother level by going behind the back of the citizens just to accomplish banning of alphabetical letters. It shows that ultimately, if you give all the power of one area to a small group of people or to one person, that censorship is inevitable, because either they will use it to get ultimate power, or they will use it to enforce their rules, which they did in both examples of the two censorships.